Welcome to Take a Leopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your email address on Slack. Now, you might want to change your contact information on Slack, and it's kinda hard to change your email. So I'm gonna guide you exactly how to change your email easily. So just go to slack.com or just open up your Slack app, then just log in using your email or just use Google or your Apple account. And after logging in, just go ahead and select your workspace. Just select any of the workspace. And after the workspace loads, you're gonna see your profile here at the bottom left corner. Just click on it. From here, just click on profile. From here, you're gonna see your email under contact information. You can click on edit, but it's not gonna allow you to change your email. So to change your email, what you have to do is just click on the three dot icon from here. Then just go to account settings. Then just wait, it will open up the settings. And from here, you'll see your email. Just click on expand from here. Then from here, you just need to put in your current password and your new email address here. And then just click on update email and your email address will be updated. And that is it. And basically that is how to change your email on Slack. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.